Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at some Siggi's products. Now Siggi, if you don't know, they are yogurts, but this is a different Siggi that I found new at Whole Foods. This is the Siggi plant-based coconut blend yogurt. This is a non-dairy, but as far as I can tell, all around here, it is not a vegan option. And as you kind of go around the sides, you can read a little bit, you can pause and read. It doesn't contain anything like milk. It doesn't have anything that I would consider non-vegan. But I have two here in front of us today. We have mixed berries, also raspberry. Now I've had many non-dairy options in the past, made with almonds, made with coconut as the base. I like them. This is a little bit different because I know that Siggi, I just got something else from Siggi that was not brown. They kind of just made it brown. I guess make it a little bit more natural, but I mean, well, it's just a little bit odd for me. I thought brown was something that you would do maybe like the mid-2000s to make something natural, but I guess that's it. All right, so it contains tree nuts, coconut, and macadamia. Now, that's the ingredient list right here. Coconut milk, pea protein, berries, blackberries, strawberries, cane sugar, live active cultures. Could that be something that's not vegan? I don't think so. All right, so not vegan, but dairy-free coconut blend. We're gonna try the mixed berries here today. Again, I've been a fan of this type of yogurt for a long time, and we'll see how it is. So this is what it looks like inside. Has the same consistency as yogurt, and we're gonna taste it. Mixed berries usually is my favorite flavor for most things I try. Okay, so it kind of has that whipped feeling that I usually get when I do have something that is almond based or coconut based. And this one, for instance, does not say whipped. And I know sometimes at the beginning, at least, I think was it soy milk or whatever, one of the companies that makes almond milk, I don't know, they specifically showed something that felt like this and they called it whipped because maybe people didn't quite get it yet. The consistency was a little bit different. Because for me, it tastes, or no, it feels a little bit airy inside. But that's just what it is. It is tasty. And for me, I'm perfectly fine with anything with a coconut base, maybe an almond base, any kind of nut based. This has been just good. So this is a good option. I found it here for $1.99. It's Whole Foods, so the price may vary at other places. This is pretty good. I'm gonna stop eating this so I can actually talk. But the flavors that I found it here, mixed berries, raspberry, and the third one that I did not get was coconut. But no problem with coconut at all, just wanted to get two this morning. All right guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer them, or somebody else out there will answer them. You can find me on Instagram at M8B9, and you can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com if you have any questions, anything that you want to get off your chest. But I'm going to finish this because this was pretty good, is pretty good. And aside from the fact that it has brown packaging, hey, that's just what they chose to do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.